Right now, I'm taking a class called Introduction to Sensors and Circuits. We have a little bit of lecture at the beginning, and then we go up and we're able to do labs that'll take us a couple of days, and we really get in depth with what's going on and what we're learning.
So Blake's class actually taught us a lot about how to use different circuits in order to better integrate different kinds of sensors into our project.
We've spent the first half of the quarter learning about how circuits work, simple circuits and also RC circuits. So I've gotten a lot more in depth into EE than I have in my undergrad degree.
For some of those sensors, we can't just plug them straight into an Arduino. It's not just a simple plug and go. We actually have to control a lot of the voltage and amperage of those sensors in order to get decent reads for our project.
So after the class, I think rather than just treating physical products as a black box, we sort of get a glimpse of what is actually the functioning going on beneath them.
It's really been a great experience learning how the circuits behind those sensors are actually working. And I'll definitely be able to use that in the future for making better products.